In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up all user data in Google Workspaces, 5 minutes. We're going to use the built-in data export tool in the Google Admin Console to capture a snapshot of your organization's data. This is designed for super administrators who need a full auditable backup across services like Gmail, Drive, Calendar, and more. Before you begin, make sure you meet the prerequisites. You must be a Google Workspace super administrator. Your admin account needs to be at least 30 days old, and you must have two-step verification turned on. Have your verification method handy so you can pass any prompts without delays. Now sign into the Google Admin Console using your Super Admin account. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Data. This is where Google centralizes tools for moving information in and out of your domain. Open Data, then choose Data Import and Export, and select Data Export. This is the area specifically designed to create an export of your organization's data. Click. Set up new export to start a fresh snapshot. Give your export a clear descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. For the export type, select Standard. Standard is the recommended option and includes the most common services most organizations rely on. It keeps the process straightforward and broadly compatible. Next, select the services you want to include. If you need a complete archive, include everything relevant to your organization, such as Gmail, Drive, Calendar, contacts, sites, and groups. If you're targeting a specific purpose, you can narrow the selection to reduce the export size and duration. Keep in mind that the more services and data you include, the longer the export may take. Choose the date range for the data. Set a window that matches your backup goals. A broader range captures more history, but will increase processing time and storage needs. If you follow data retention or compliance policies, make sure your date range aligns with those requirements. Select the destination for the data. By default, Google will place the export in a temporary Google-provided cloud storage bucket, which is the simplest option. If your edition allows it, you can specify your own cloud storage bucket for more control over access and retention. Ensure you have the correct permissions if you choose a custom bucket. When everything looks right, click Start Export. Google will begin assembling a read-only snapshot. This can take from a few days up to 2 weeks, depending on size. All super admins will receive an email notification when it's complete. That's it. You've set up a full Google Workspace data export, and your backup is on the way.